Hey guys, it is Wednesday here in West Virginia, and as mentioned yesterday, on Tuesday, we did our Mopar Monday, and well, today's Wednesday. We're doing our 2-4 Truckin' Tuesday on a Wednesday. I fell a day behind, and if I would not have been in such a big rush, I would have done a video on the whole set of the M2 Coca-Cola Christmas cars for 2024. I had the set for about 2 hours and then I sold it and shipped it out before I made a video on it. But I did buy some of the models for myself, the Mopar ones, of course. I wanted an extra gold dually, but they didn't have any more. They only had one to complete the set. I was hoping to find another one so I could will swap my fire truck, my Mopar fire truck, but no such luck. So anyways, though, we do have the black Midnight Express with the snowflakes and Coca-Cola all over it. And then we have the 4th of July, and I also think this is a Walmart exclusive. One with the blue roof and the white stake bed sides and the white pipes and stuff. It's not a bad looking truck, but it's not one of the best either. These two are the ones that are kind of overdone for the holidays, and really you cannot do anything to make them look better. So you can't really take the tampos off. The black one you possibly could, but I don't know. Maybe maybe. There, I'll show you guys. Let's bring him into the spotlight. So this is your new Coca-Cola Dodge for 2024. This is your Dodge pickup. Black with a red interior, which looks sweet. And slammed on the ground with the 5 slots. It looks just like the first release of the Midnight Express, except it's got snowflakes and Coca-Cola on it instead of the Midnight Express tampos. But as I said, if you're careful, you could take off all these snowflakes and the Coca-Cola stuff, and you may have to touch up the door panels because I have a feeling you're going to rub some of the door handles off if you try. But I'm just going to leave this one alone because last year's Power Wagon, the red one, I didn't do anything with it, and this one will look good sitting next to it. I actually already did pics of one on IG, and this has your limited edition. It's limited to 9,600 pieces worldwide. There's no chase of this one. There is a chase of the new Challenger, and there is a chase of the Fox Body Mustang. I don't know if they did a super chase this year. Last year they did one chase and one super chase, but I don't know about this year if there's a super chase, since they did 2 regular chases. So yeah, I forgot to look on the packages and see if it said super chase on any of them, but maybe not, don't know. But anyways, yeah, on the back side it's the same thing, Santa with the Coca-Cola, your licensing stuff, and where to find M2 online and stuff like that, and Coca-Cola's licensing stuff. It's a really cool truck. I already have one open. As I said, I did pics. This one's still sealed. Not sure if I'm going to keep it or sell it or what I'm going to do with it quite yet. And anyways, here it is out of the package. It looks really cool with the red interior. This red interior on just a solid black step side would look really good. That's why I was like, man, I want to take these tampos off, but I don't want to take a chance of screwing something else up on the truck, so I'll just leave it alone. Since that incident with the yellow Power Wagon Coca-Cola from the Auto Hauler set, where the nail polish remover ran down onto the rocker, I touched it up. It's hard to tell, but still, I know about it, and I don't want it to happen again. And this one looks like it would be a real challenge to remove all the tampos, so I'm just going to leave it alone. It looks pretty cool the way it is. And as I said, it goes with last year's red Power Wagon. And then the next one we have for you guys. This is the 4th of July special. I'm going to go up with the camera stand so you can see the packaging a little better. And they did have a chase of this one. This one's pretty limited, 8,200 pieces, 8,250 to be exact, and 750 chase pieces. So, yeah, the chase just had red wheels and red chrome and such. As I said, this one is another one that you really can't help too much because the roof is blue, a dark blue, and the wooden slats on the side and the stake bed sides are also white, and there's not really much that would help it. Even if you take the Coca-Cola stuff off, that stuff is still going to be white. Even the tailgate's white. Yeah, it's flopping around in there because it's already been opened and out off the stand. I just put it on there temporarily to take the thumbnail pic and to show you guys the packaging and stuff, which really, there's nothing too extravagant with the packaging. It's just your basic M2 packaging with like no story write-ups. I'm just going to leave this guy there. I don't know where the screwdriver went. Just had it to put these things in there. But anyways, as you can see, it looks just like the little Red Express that we've seen come out in the 6 truck sleeve set last year around this time. But instead, as I mentioned, it's got the red, white, and blue theme going on for the 4th of July. This came out, I think, in late June. I just happened to get one because the price was cheap enough. I wasn't even going to buy this one because, I don't know, it kind of looks a little tacky with the blue roof and the white sides and such. But it's not too bad. So I got it because I picked it up for $6, which is cheaper than SRP. And it was only $6 for shipping. So I got it shipped to my door for like $12.72, something like that. So not a bad price whatsoever. So I went ahead and snagged it up. But yeah, the only ones I think I'm missing right now for the M2 trucks is the green Power Wagon. It's like a pea green or olive green. I don't even know if it's been released yet. And then there's another auto hauler set where there's a Power Wagon pulling a yellow Roadrunner, just like this guy here, except, well, I think it's, I can't see the other side of it in the pics on M2's IG stuff. It may have the bare metal door, but it's basically the same setup as this came in. This came in an auto hauler set also, but it had an A100 van. This set has a yellow Roadrunner with the same black quarter panel and stuff, and it's being towed by a white Power Wagon with some graphics on it. Pretty good looking truck. Those two are coming up, and there was one other one, and I cannot recall what it was, but besides those, I think I'm pretty current with the Power Wagons, and, well, Dodge trucks in general, not just Power Wagons. But anyways, that's pretty much it for our Truckin' Tuesday. And I do have another Challenger from the Christmas set, and I will do an unboxing on it pretty soon. And maybe not an unboxing, but I'll give you guys a look at it. I would like to unbox one if I could find one more, but I promised a friend of mine he could have this one. He wanted it. So I don't really care if I keep it or not because of the Christmas stuff. Now, the Christmas ornaments, the round bulbs that they have that coming up, that a lot of stores are already getting. I seen that they hit Walmarts in Puerto Rico already. There's a beautiful magenta, I guess it's to represent Panther Pink 70 Challenger RT and a green Challenger RT in the pack, in each bulb. So I would like to get that set, and the Power Wagon set is badass also. There's a magenta Macho Power Wagon and a blue Macho Power Wagon, or green, something like that. But the magenta one really pops. It's really cool looking. It'll look great if you have the orange Macho Power Wagon from that 6 truck set back last year, that came out last year. Anyways, yeah, that'll look really good together. I'm kind of hyped on getting those. Those are the other ones that I don't have too, is those Power Wagons and the bulbs. So those are pretty cool. Keep your eyes peeled for your Walmarts to get them. Mine didn't get the bulbs last year. Hopefully they will this year. They only got the sidekick of the Coca-Cola Christmas stuff last year, and so far that's all we got this year, but it's better than nothing, you know. So anyways, guys, that's it for today. We'll be back again on Friday for our Free It Friday. Thanks for watching.